Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, no plans to develop stretched C390 for India. Embraer has cast aside plans for an immediate expansion of the C390 military transport aircraft. Their focus remains on maximizing the capabilities of the current design to meet operational needs. This decision comes as Embraer actively pitches the C390 to Indian Air Force for their medium transport aircraft requirement. The C390 boasts a 26-ton concentrated load capacity and a 23-ton distributed load capacity along with impressive airdrop performance. These specifications fall squarely within the IAF's 1830 tons requisition. Next, placing order for TGMs for precision strikes. The Indian Army is set for a significant boost in its firepower with the Ministry of Defence expected to approve the procurement of nearly 2,000 155 mm terminally guided munition, that is TGMs, later this year. This move marks a major stride towards self-reliance in critical defense technology. Next, India's AMCA's rollout planned in 2028-29. India's quest for self-reliance in defense technology takes a significant leap forward with the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program. Official sources confirm that the design for this indigenous fifth-generation fighter jet is complete, paving the way for an exciting phase of development. With the design finalized, the AMCA program is now setting its sight on the first prototype. Officials' estimates suggest this critical milestone will be achieved by 2028-29. Next, engine bay ventilation for AMCA. The Aeronautical Development Agency is taking a deep dive into the innovative cooling solutions for the AMCA Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program. Their focus, active cooling of the engine bay and nozzle, crucial for maintaining stealth capabilities. Fifth generation stealth aircraft require a delicate balance. Traditional engine bay ventilation systems often rely on inlet scoops to draw in cooling air. However, these scoops can create unwanted radar signatures, hindering the aircraft's stealth properties. Next, planetary defense against asteroids planned. After significant achievements in lunar and solar exploration, the ISRO, under the leadership of Chairman S. Somnath, is now setting its sight on a new frontier, asteroids. The goal is not just to land on these celestial bodies but also to develop strategies to defend Earth against potential catastrophic impacts. One of the immediate opportunities ISRO is looking at is the observation of asteroid 99942 Apophis. Next, Thailand stationing liaison officer at Gurugram's IFC IOR. In a move that underscores growing maritime cooperation between India and Thailand, Thailand has stationed a liaison officer at the Indian Navy's Information Fusion Center, that is IFC, Indian Ocean Region, that is IOR, located in Gurugram, India. The IFC IOR, established in 2018, serves as a central hub for information sharing, the collaborative maritime security efforts in the Indian Ocean region, stretching from the Malacca Straits to the Suez Canal. This crucial waterway is a vital global trade route, and the IFC IOR plays a critical role in maintaining regional security and stability. Thank you.